We gladly reintroduce the Everest Jennings Rehab Shower Commode wheelchair to the market, promoting independence and self-sufficiency. Increasing patient self-sufficiency during their daily routine who may have incomplete or complete tetraplegia or paraplegia requiring a different approach for bowel management. Rehabilitation centers and the Veterans Administration have long worked to establish programs that specialize in the rehabilitation of spinal cord injury patients. The Rehab Shower Commode wheelchair can be positioned over toilets, used as a portable commode, and can also function as a foldable, transportable wheelchair. The user can either self-propel, allowing privacy and independence, or be pushed by a caregiver. Built with a robust stainless steel frame and stainless steel front riggings that prevents corrosion and rust, but also provides durability and a sense of stability to the user. It has a vented optimal foam compressed seat, securely tightened to the stainless steel frame with metallic hooks screwed to the plywood sealed vinyl seat, allowing easy drying and stability. The contoured seat shape offers comfort and access for both caregiver and user, facilitating access to reach out the execution of the bowel management program. The open front or U-shaped seat is also available as a separate accessory. The base of the seat is marine-grade plywood, which allows it to dry more efficiently without breaking the sealed vinyl. The use of push-to-lock wheel locks on each 24-inch rear wheel increases control on a wet surface. The Rehab Shower Commode has completely removable full-length arms for easy transfer. Long-lasting stainless steel removable Swingaway footrests with composite footplates to facilitate transfer, storage, and durability. It is available with a 14¼ inch low back or 17¼ inch high back with durable 24-inch composite wheels with plastic hand rims and solid rubber tires in the 250-pound models. Optional 5-inch casters are also available with either a 14¼ inch low back. A removable washable composite pail and lid are included. We developed two wider models that are available in 16 and 19-inch back heights with 24-inch rear wheels with a 20-inch seat width. These new wider SKUs will have the following improvements: a weight capacity of 300 pounds evenly distributed, wider oval seat and pail holder, longer shaft footrest to accommodate taller patients, longer full-length arms for taller patients, nylon tires for increased durability, vinyl leatherette E&J embossed logo back upholstery, foldable for easy storage. Our wheelchairs reflect the commitment to quality, durability, efficiency, and patient comfort as a signature of our work. Versatility and freedom in one chair. Created to keep you independent and on the go.